Yes, Rajay. Your next topic is there, regular and diffused reflection. We have learned that when a ray of light is reflected from a surface, the angle of incident is equal to the angle of reflection. Very simple, as you have studied in last one topic. So if a number of light rays parallel to each other fall on smooth paint surface, then all the reflected rays will also be parallel to each other. ठीक है, मीन्स इफ देर विल बी स्मूथ सरफेस, all incident rays will be parallel to each other, all reflected rays will be parallel to each other. That is called regular reflection. The reflected rays parallel to one another will be reflected only in one direction. This type of reflection is known as regular reflection. Means all reflected rays will be parallel and all will be in one direction. That is called regular reflection. And on the other hand, what will be diffused? It will be opposite to regular reflection. Means all reflected rays will be in opposite direction. They will not parallel to each other. It means it will call diffused reflection. You can see here, Ajay, it is plane surface, it is smooth surface. All incident rays will be parallel as well as all reflected rays will be parallel to each other. But here diffuse reflection that surface is rough. ठीक है, means incident rays falling here, incident rays falling here, means it will not smooth. Some surface of this reflection is there which is downside है ना, some surface is on upper side. Then reflected rays will not be in one direction, they will be in different direction. That's why it is called diffused reflection. Very simple. Next, the properties of reflection of light from different surfaces have certain practical applications. For example, photographs make use of regular reflection from the calm water surface of lakes, rivers. ठीक है, let us say if lake will be in smooth surface, ठीक है, river, ठीक है, means water is not flowing here, then the view of picture will be very attractive. You can see in watering area, you can see here that one house is there, building is there, ठीक है, water is not flowing, means it is smooth. Then the downside which is in shadow form of this house, it is very attractive. ठीक है, if it will in irregular reflection, then it will not be attractive like that. So it is called regular reflection. You can see if water surface is turbulent, अगर turbulent का meaning है water flow कर रहा है, वो एक single pattern में नहीं है, then it create diffuse reflection and the photographs of image are unclear and the overall effect of the photo is less attractive. ठीक है, here it is attractive because water is not turbulenting here. If it will turbulent, then the image will not be clear and overall effect of the photo will be less attractive.